So, this morning we're going to talk about the little second gen that nobody knew about till recently.
David, you and I kind of let the cat out of the bag. Which I did tell him I wanted him to do a video boxing all my stuff up to where we could post that and then lead into this one. And I mean, but I was kind of keeping this car under wraps for the time being. But now it's out. Here's the car. We'll do more about the car later. The reason I'm saying, guys, like these videos, share these videos, because these are the videos that I'm explaining some of the people that have been behind us and that we carry their parts, we sell their parts, and I believe in their shit. So you guys go to their website, go check out their stuff, because when I do these videos and you guys share the videos and the videos go well, it is a lot easier for me to go to them and go, hey guys, I'd like to give away a set of control arms this month. So it helps you, plus it gets us better pricing. And as you guys have already seen that's bought stuff, we'll beat Summit, Jegs, anybody's price, because Stacy's not trying, she's just trying to keep her toes and her hands painted. She's not trying to break the bank and make a living off of you guys. So better get to ordering your parts, because it's about time to do another giveaway. Anyway, UMI. I called Dave. Actually, I talked to Dave at LS Fest. I was in Kentucky, and told him I'm fixing to do this. He knows about of course, they know about the Firebird, the Buick and all that stuff. But I told him what I was doing with this car. It's going to be the flip of the 70 model Firebird, which I'll explain the flip part of that after I do these samples so I can show you guys. I had him send me the Stage 3 kit. So the Stage 3 kit comes with Viking double adjustable shocks. It actually, guys, I get messages all the time asking me, hey, help me pick a combination. Picking a combination is not as easy as, put this, and this in, and it'll be successful. It consists of making a package that actually works. The great thing about UMI is, one, all their shit bolts on. You don't have to cut, you don't have to weld, you don't have to be a fabricator, and they come with really good instructions. They got customer support that is off the chain. And those guys actually have this shit on their cars, racing against cars that are not just bolt-on stuff, that actually have to have a lot of fabrication, and they kick their ass most of the time. So what I had him send me was this Stage 3 kit. So that consists of the tubular upper and lower control arms, rear sway bar, front sway bar. Now this is a leaf spring traction bar. It is not, I repeat, it is not Caltrax. Similar, but not the same. And I'll explain that when I put these on and show you guys the difference between a regular Caltrax, which is just a straight line traction bar, and these, which are actually work with this rear suspension package, because I am going to road race this car. A little bit. Maybe more than I should. But this will be the first time that they've just started doing these. Here, see how heavy this is.
Ooh, pretty heavy.
It's pretty heavy. So,
yeah.
Here. Whoop. Here's a typical sway bar. You get one hand that one.
Oh yeah, that's nothing.
Okay. So the thing with sway bars keep the car from rolling. You can keep it in a corner, keep the tires planted on it. This is a spline sway bar and adjustable for the front, which I'm going to end up fucking wanting one of these for the 70 Firebird too. Because both those cars, that's what I want to do with them. Like I said, their package, you can order a Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3. You can get as crazy as you want. Oh, I didn't show you this today. This is that C10 deal they just came out with. I had him price it. I almost wanted to buy, I was going to get this for the red truck.
Oh, they have a C10 4-link kit? That's pretty
cool. Yeah, check it out. 4-link, sway bar. They even got this, the deal to where you can put the gas tank in the back.
Nice.
That is a super, super cool package.
I'll have to post
Man,
that
I like that a lot.
on my
I can't do it. I'm never gonna be able to sell that red truck at the rate that I'm keep changing shit. But this stuff, we're gonna be putting all this on the car. The car's got all brand new. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, got a brand new 342, I think 342 10-volt posi up here. Come on up here. It's all brand new. And it's all gonna be for sale. So somebody can buy all this brand new stuff because this is what I'm putting on. This car is actually gonna be the same blue that I painted the 56. You don't know what I'm gonna nickname this car? It's red and blue. Red suspension, blue paint, pearl white stripes.
What are you gonna name it?
Superman. Superman.
Nice.
Yeah, Superman.
That's funny.
Right, that's what they called your Genesis, the blue one with the red interior.
That's true.
They called it Superman, so I thought that's why. I mean, doing a blue car, most people would want the black powder coat and all that. And I thought, and Dave goes, I guess you want black powder coat? And I went, yeah, because I think with the blue. No, you know what, Dave? I don't. Actually, send me the red because I think it'll look cool with the blue. Plus, you can see this shit from a mile away.
Yeah.
I mean, every picture of everything that Dom sends me on the, I mean, you see them fucking UMI control arms standing out over everything. But I'm going to start putting this stuff on the car. Right now, I got to finish the truck and all that, but this is at my house. So I'm going to play with this car when I'm not down at the shop, get the suspension and all that stuff because this car is like unbelievable. I would show you the odometer on it, but you wouldn't fucking believe me the miles that were on this car. But it is a 100% rust-free. Like there is not even a rust pimple in this car. All the factory, well here, that's factory seats. And that happened when we put parts in it the other day. Well, but you can tell they are kind of rotten. But the floor pans, nothing, this car's never had any rust in it.
That whole dash area looks brand new.
Well, here's the thing. These cars, anybody that knows the second gens knows these dashes curl up. Like, immediately. That one has not.
So it must have been kept inside its whole life. No sun, wear and tear.
I mean, look at the door panels on this damn thing. If it hadn't been for the fact that this one right here got bent and broke, and Mike got primer on that one, the fucking door panels are like perfect on it. Mm-hmm. So this is gonna make a really, really nice car. I'll explain the whole flip thing with the 70 model Firebird that's at paint right now because poor Mike can only paint so much shit and I've got so much other stuff that we're doing. I sent the Firebird out to Matt Hicks to be painted. We'll do an update on that later. But guys, go to UMI's website, check out their stuff. If you're interested in any of the UMI stuff, get a hold of Stacy. We're fixing to do a little special. I got to talk to the guys at UMI and make sure they're okay with it. But I want to run a special while I'm doing the videos and putting the suspension under this car, doing all the suspension stuff, that while I'm doing it, I want to run a special that we sell you guys UMI stuff for like cheap. Like cheap. But I got to clear it because I don't know if our map pricing and all that stuff. But just while I'm doing this. So, and guys, there's no guesswork with their stuff. You can order stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. You can order as much or as little as you want, but the package works when you put it on. So, I'll tell them what motor later. I'm going to tell them now. Twin turbo LS with a 5-speed, or with a 6-speed.
Oh.
Boom, boom. What?
Nice.
That's got to be fun.
It is.
I mean,
That should be fun.
I got a T56 cross member. Got to put one in it now.
There you go.
All right. Well, like the video, share the video, guys. The bigger these videos go, the more the people that are behind me, the better I can talk them into letting us have stuff to give away to you guys. I can run specials. Remember that. Yeah. Like them, share them. I get my ass down to the shop.
Go to umiperformance.com, build you a shopping cart, send it to me.
There you go. Stay gonna get her in.
Have a good day.